Everyone's been asking me, Kyla, where are the vision board workshops? What's going on? And I've sat with it deeply this year and decided that with all of the crazy astrological energies that are going on, we are going to postpone them to the end of January. My understanding, which is a little bit limited because astrology isn't my greatest strength, is that on the 19th of January there is a huge shift and change going on. And I want to support you, support yourself to step into this new decade with the greatest energetic magnetism possible. So to do that, I have placed them at the end of January so we can move through these last little pieces. However, what I would love to do is invite any of you, if you feel like there's some remnants of old ways, old patterns, old programs, old thoughts inside of you that need dissolving before then, please reach out. Let's book you in a session. Let's get you cleared, cleansed, and regenerated, ready for the vision board workshops, but also ready for the greatest decade of your life. I truly believe we have been leading up to this energetically. I don't know about you, but it's felt like I have been on a roller coaster for the last probably couple of years. And yes, there's been massive ups, but there's been massive downs. And I was sharing with a friend the other day that I also felt that through it all, somehow there was some form of grounded centeredness and peacefulness inside of me, even within the chaos, within the tears, within the laughter, within the joy. And this is where we want to get to in terms of where life is coming from, is this deep knowing of who you are, of what your center feels like, that center of gravity that is your soul, tapping you into that unique voice, having you listen to your heart and take action in alignment with it. So sending you huge, huge love. If you're ready for some rip-roaring, clear cleansing as we move in out of this year and into the new one, please reach out. I love you all so immensely, intensely. 2020 is going to be huge. We are bringing so much more to you. However, I'm going to also send out an invitation for so many of you to start to elevate your energy by moving beyond the self and starting to think about compassionate service. What is your purpose? What is the reason that you were placed on this earth? And how does it align with who you want to be and how you want to show up day to day? I truly believe that there are miracles and magic when we move beyond the self and we start to look at what is it in terms of service that you're ready for now. This is not done on an empty cup. Self-care is still required. Self-love is still required every single day. But with a full cup, we have this opportunity to give so much more. So I want you to invite you to have a think about if there is a cause or something that you care deeply for. What is that? How are you going to take some mini steps towards that next year, knowing that you are magnetically abundant when you are in this state of kindness, of giving, of receptivity, and then receiving. Sending you huge, huge love, and I look forward to seeing you all very, very soon.